Brake, clutch, first gear. Okay. Okay, it's trying to go. Hold up. And we got a working Beamer. There we go. That's a lot better. My ISO is off. But let's see. So well, you can see all that. This car is downright disgusting. Like just straight up gross. Ugh. Look at that. Just I don't know if you can. Oh, there you go. There you can see it. Yo, it is. She needs a real cleaning. Like I'm about to. This is probably gonna be like a 2-day cleaning. I'm just gonna try going ham on it. Brush everything, just scrubbing everything. This is super dirty. It's been sitting for. Look at that. Just. The car's been sitting for probably 6 months. Just sitting. I owned it first back in 2014. My dad bought it off me. I'm not restoring. Maybe basically getting it running again for him. Man, look how dirty. Like the camera doesn't really do it justice. The camera actually makes the car look cleaner than what it is. But this car, I guess quote unquote, my family has owned for probably 7 years, and it's probably seen maybe like 3 hours runtime in those 7 years. Like it always sits. It never is running for like a day, then something happens, but it's running today. So let's see. Let me go get some gas and get the pressure washer out. And boom, just like that. Look at that. Oh. Pressure washed one side, look at the other side. Wham. Goodness gracious. Now granted, even on this side it's not perfect, but it's a lot better. I need to figure out a way to get the grease spots out. I forgot how to get them out. I know there's a special trick. There's that. But yeah, trunk same way. Pressure wash one side. Other side I did like a light mist. Look at that. Just, and then this side. There we go. Got the, what do I put? Iron remover on half of it after spraying it. I mean, look at that. Just, got that. Sprayed down the entire engine bay with Purple Power Ultimate. I mean, I'm probably paying more for the same thing, but it's whatever. We'll see. Looks like it's actually not doing shit to it, but I'll scrub it, like scrub everything in there, try to get all this stuff clean, everything nice and squeaky clean as I can possibly get it. If I have the time, then I'll try. I hate pinstriping. Like any car that has pinstriping, I take it off instantly. Like I can't stand it. Especially when they make you pay extra for it. I don't like it in the first place. But look at that, before, after. Not too shabby. I got some other stuff I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try this. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna try this in the engine bay because you know it's grease. So It should work pretty well, but we'll see. It's like a winter wonderland right now. Sheesh. Oh man. Wash it. You already see the brown starting to come off. And don't worry, I removed the battery. I'm not spraying anything directly. I made sure the fuse box panel is completely set. It doesn't have the screws, but like it's sealed on there. You already see some of the dirt starting to come off, guys. It's looking pretty good. Pretty good. Just let that soak. Let the whole car soak, then I'm gonna start washing it a little bit. Man, I'm just looking, so even though it's nighttime, oh, hold up, you can see it actually better at night. So look at this. This is this side. I've already sprayed it with car wash soap. Pero I used Dawn on this side. Still got all that. I'm probably just gonna let Dawn sit on it overnight. That could be permanent indents, but we'll see. But overall, I mean, look at that. Dawn works better than car soap. Facts.